Hello there. Hope you're doing well. So here we have another question from the same passage, and the direction for question: answer the following questions based on the information given below. So as we have understood the text discusses about the infants and their temperament, and as we can find out, it is an analytical one and informative too. We also find out means, uh, some of the factual evidence which are given their opinions on temperament, and we also talk about some of the countries. So basically, if you talk about that, this is the kind of a passage which is uh, uh, on the basis of the research, right? So research across 18 different countries, right? And here we talk about research, Putnam and Maria Gaston, who research on infant and childhood temperament. Uh, okay, so that is what the whole passage is all about. Let's move to the question. The question stated all of the following can be inferred about the Samuel Putnam study mentioned in the passage, except, right? So the first choice stated temperament as defined by Samuel Putnam highlights observable traits in infant and children. Second, Putnam's research alongside Maria Gladstone showcased regional differences in infant temperament across 18 countries, isn't it? And third, Putnam's study takes ahead a notion that temperament is solely influenced by DNA or parental habit. And option four, the findings of a Putnam research support the idea that cultural immersion plays an important role in shaping temperament. Now, all these four options, out of that, we need to find out which of the option cannot be inferred about Samuel Putnam's study. That is what the question asks. All of the following can be inferred. It means we can find out three of the options can be inferred about Samuel Putnam's study. What is Samuel Putnam's study? If you um, observe the passage, there it is written about temperament is the word psychologists use to describe these distinctions. It is a subset of personality that you can observe in infant and children, right? So you would find out Samuel Putnam's study. He is a developmental psychologist at Borden, College in Maine, US. Measures personality in adults are not only about behavior and feelings. So specifically, he talks his research on infants' temperament, isn't it? Now, if I observe that, uh, the first option, which is stated about temperament, isn't it? So we can consider option one, right, will be incorrect because this is what inferred from the text, right? Because this idea is clearly stated in the passage. So Putnam defines temperament as observable traits, like which we talk about here. So uh, uh, personality in adults are not shown. So it is a subset of personality, and that you can observe in infant and children, right? Uh, so option one is clearly present in the passage because this idea is defining temperament as observable traits in infants and children, distinction from adult personality traits. So hence you can infer this option one. Option two stated that Putnam's research alongside Maria Gadsden showcased regional differences in infant temperament across 18 countries. So that's what is given in the uh, last paragraph, where it is stated about the research of Putnam uh, temperament rating across 18 different countries. So we can say option two is also incorrect. Um, Making this accurate inference by presenting in the passage, right? Option three is stated about Putnam studies take a study takes ahead the notion that temperament is solely influenced by DNA or parental habit. Now, in this case, if you object option three, right? Option three describes Putnam's study, right? uh, and stated about it is solely influenced by DNA or parental habits, right? Whereas the passage described Putnam's study and finding, emphasizing that temperament, right, in infants is influenced by what? That's called as a cultural factors. Cultural factors, isn't it? Which you can find out at the end of it. It's a tradition, values, and beliefs, and other social convention, isn't it? So we can consider option three will be the except one. It doesn't infer. It is somehow called as opposite to it. Then four is stated or called as a, because of the solely, it is eliminated. Option four, the findings of Putnam's research support the idea that cultural immersion plays a significant role in shaping temperament. Yeah, that is what the passage stated, right? So we can say that this inferred from the passage, the discussion about linking temperament to indifferences to the country of upbringing support the idea that cultural immersion plays an important role in shaping temperament, shaping temperament, isn't it? Temperament, right? Hence, we can say option 1, 2, and 4 are inferred from the text. Option 3 is eliminated. Option 3 doesn't infer, right? So the answer should be option 3. Hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.